guys, it's me, your boy Pepper, and today we are going to be doing a run where I replace all the sound effects. Like, I'm gonna show you an example in a few seconds, like this. See me do that? I replaced the sound of the flashlight. And before anything, I don't want to make this a thing because this video is inspired by GibbyyVR's video. So go watch it, That's a peak video. That's peak cinema rock. Gibby. Okay, first we will buy all the items. I don't know if I should buy some backrooms items. Yeah, I'm too late.
Yeah.
Ding! And ding! No.
Go buy each of us items. Yeah, cowboy. What is it doing with the character? It's a chair with a horse. Anyway, okay, let's not do it. I want that here. Go buy each of us.
Look, so if you go like this, you can't float, right? But
Ratafuck. You call that a neck or a tower of trash? I'm roasting this puppet, you're bound to crash.
oh shit!
Ah, my balls. Yeah. It would be.
Also, why am I acting like I've never played this game?
I gotta kill some turkey.
I gotta pick up.
I gotta kill some girthy turkey for some super powers. Yes, he got powers.
Really?
Ah, chicken! No wait.
You are one dumb turkey, my friend.
Poor turkey. I'm gonna go kill it. Okay. Mimic. Oh, Coda!
No.
Brandon! Hey.
Not today. Not today.
Is that Brandon? I gotta see. Is that Brandon or Coda? I don't know.
Oh crap! Wait a minute.
Let me see who that is.
Where's the black bomb?
That was Coda.
I saw him. No, I saw him.
Yeah. Ooh.
Right.
Hey, I got you a revolver.
Oh, I didn't kill him.
Bro, I got you a revolver.
Okay, nice. I already have it.
Take this.
Put it away. You opened
No,
it. Bomb.
I already have my stuff.
And I got it.
Ooh wee.
Shit.
Ooh wee.
Oh, yo, bro, I just.
I'm Mr. Frindles. Who wins the solo battle? I'm also big, bro. I'm also big. Oh.
I should reload.
Are you sure? My feet is out. My dogs are out.
You don't have them.
No, but my boundary glitched and it showed my feet. My dogs. It showed my dogs. Hey, yo, bro, I found this teleporter.
What on earth is up with the textures of the wall here? What is the new dev?
I am going to play Goon too.
No, son.
I found a cave. Ooh wee.
I know which way I'm going.
Right here, but
The right way, it seems.
yeah.
Are there still cuties in
Sure,
here?
there is a lot. That's the.
Oh my god.
Yes!
What exactly are we doing to speedrun this place?
We gotta get the teleport.
Oh, hell no! Not in here. Not in here, dude. Uh-oh.
Cutie's dead. Here we go.
No, not this way.
This, I found it.
No, there's a chicken. Also, I found the teleporter.
But
Should I just do that?
This is the end.
Red watch.
Oh, it was a monkey statue. I should have brought it.
Yeah, it doesn't sell for shit.
And I just... Please tell me we're not doing a backrooms run.
Of course not. Fun.
What happens if you goon every day for 7 days straight?
Of money from there.
Yeah, but
But for that, I'm going to have to drop all of my loot
so I can fill up my whole bag.
Let's hope there is no one in the creepiest part of hell. The generator room. I always wanted to know what these popcorns taste like. You know what? Oh, that's gonna be fire to voice act, bro. I'll have to say, peace out, boys. Touch the mushrooms if you're gay.